Hello everybody, it's Danny with SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi corded 8 amp blower. Model number on this guy is RY421021, and again it's the 8 amp 440 CFM blower, which by the way, to match the CFM and speed of this guy, it's 135 mile per hour and 440 CFM. To match that speed and CFM in a battery blower, you're going to be into like the couple hundreds of dollars at least, maybe close to even 4 or 5, and for your battery and your tool, maybe a little bit less than that. Whereas this guy is a lot less than that. I think we sell this on our website for like 40, and retail it's probably a little bit more than that. So definitely a really good blower. It real simple, guys. Basically comes with the chute separately from the base, just like so. This little foot is going to go down, so when it rests, it's resting down like so. And then it has these little tabs on each side of the base unit that are going to go through these little windows on the chute, and that's what's going to hold the chute in place. And so basically you're going to want to just put it over like that and kind of wiggle it down into place, keeping those dialed in until you hear it click and you see those little tabs pop out. And once those are dialed in and in their spot like so, this thing is really hard to get off actually once you put it on. You can, but it takes a lot of effort. And then from there you're ready to go. You've got your blower, it's fully built, and it does have 2 speeds. So it has one in the middle with the switch, and then all the way forward is 2, which is a higher speed. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, give you a quick demo. All right, and so you'll be able to tell even from the noise a little bit. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. We super appreciate you. We hope you guys are having a really good day. If you have not already, do not forget to like and subscribe. We are actually giving this entire M18 drill kit away to a subscriber at the end of April. We just gave away a toolkit at the end of last month and the month before, and we plan to continue to do that indefinitely going forward. Also, if anybody has any video ideas, please let us know. We appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks guys.